Celpip Preparation, Study Plan for 2025 Exam. Preparing for the Celpip exam is like training for a marathon. You need strategy, consistency, and the right mindset. Let's break down the study plan into 6 distinct scenes that represent your journey from beginner to test ready. Week 1 and 2, visit the official Celpip website to understand the test format: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Take a diagnostic test or sample test to find your current English level. Set realistic goals, e.g., CLB 9 in each module. Create a 12-week study calendar and organize materials like books, videos, flashcards, and apps. Week 3 and 4, start practicing listening daily. Watch Canadian news like CBC, podcasts, or YouTube channels. Begin reading practice, short news articles, blog posts, and opinion pieces. Learn to identify main ideas, supporting points, and tone in texts and audio. Use official Celpip practice reading passages to get used to question types. Week 5 and 6, study the 2 writing tasks. Writing an email, formal or informal. Responding to a survey question, giving opinion and reasons. Practice writing with a timer to manage time pressure. Learn useful phrases and linking words, e.g., however, in contrast, therefore. Use online tools or ask a tutor to review your writing. Week 7 to 8, review the 8 Celpip speaking tasks, e.g., describing a scene, giving advice, expressing opinion. Record your answers to sample questions and listen for pronunciation, fluency, and structure. Focus on speaking naturally, using intonation and pauses. Practice speaking with a partner or join a conversation group. Week 9 to 10, take at least 2 full-length mock exams with strict timing. Review your performance in each module. Identify weak spots, e.g., trouble understanding fast audio, writing too slowly. Revise and repeat practice on your weakest areas. Week 11 to 12, light review only, don't cram. Review key vocabulary, common phrases, and writing/speaking structures. Take care of your health, sleep well, eat balanced meals, and reduce stress. Prepare your test day checklist, ID, confirmation email, reporting time, etc. Final tips for success. Record your progress weekly, celebrate small wins. Watch English shows, TED Talks, or documentaries with subtitles to learn naturally. Join online Celpip groups or forums to ask questions and share tips.